Sometimes it's a little confusing to me. All these people sit on their high horses, looking down on us for smoking the plant, growing a plant. While leaving nature goes. I just want to be free. My house started writing around this. I moved to Hollywood, we was up in the scene. Then we D-Lo, Johnny Rick, down my homeboy scene. We was teenagers here, living the dream. Looking up to Daddy X, trying to do this rap thing. On the first couple songs, it was we was so high, he rolled out the skunk at the 15s in the trunk down Melrose. Bitches in the club, getting drunk, spin flows. Trying to get a record deal, we get signed. I was broke with no money, but that was back in 95. I'm proud to smoke weed and I'm proud of what we done. I'm proud of the Kings and I'm proud of everyone. I'm proud my name was D-Lo, no joke son. And I'm proud when I'm a dad, when I have a daughter or a son.
No tere, no tule nüüd!
Vajutage liint alla, kus te lollid olete, kuradi superjaan. Vajuta liint alla, et sa saaks mööda siita, kus ma loll oled.
No ole joo, no üks lopp, nii no!
Mida sa käed, sa veist alla.
Mida sa nüüd venitad, no nüüd läks üldse katki no! Joobane, jopp või matt noh! Reppanu!